It's good for diabetics as well.
Yes, very true. So I'm adding kapli atta. Yes, very good for diabetic people, very good for those who want to have less of carbs. तो इसमें फाइबर ज़्यादा रहता है, you know.
But traditional maida.
I taken Sajivan करके जो एक थी ब्रांड उससे मैंने लिया था. And nowadays you get online many kapli atta from all the brands, you know, Two Brothers and many other brands. So I'm adding 1/3 cup kapli atta with 1 cup hazelnut, Turkish hazelnut which I roasted and then I ground it. 1/3 cup kapli, 1 cup hazelnut, 1/3 cup kapli atta. Sorry, 3/4 cup kapli atta and 1 cup hazelnut. You all can take sada wheat ka flour also, and you all can take plain refined flour also. Yeah, it's fine. And even you all can use millets also. Millet का आटा भी आप use कर सकते हो. For example, ज्वार है, रागी है. Those also can be used. You all can use.
Oh, madam.
Yeah.
Excuse. This kapli atta will be replaced totally in bakery to maida?
Of course, it can be.
It's a trend. New trend is coming like this.
Sorry.
In every product, like traditional khari butter toast जो है, उसमें भी खपली आटा रिप्लेस हो सकता है क्या?
To be very honest, I have not experimented, but of course it can be, क्योंकि उसमें फाइबर ज़्यादा होता है. Obviously you will get the more crispier version, you know. जो नॉर्मल व्हीट आटा रहता है उससे कंपेयर टू एज अ शेफ आई एम शेयरिंग दिस इन्फो कि जो नॉर्मल जो गऊ का आटा रहता है उसमें ग्लूटेन ज़्यादा रहता है.
Okay.
And this has a more fiber, so maybe it will turn out definitely more crispier.
Yeah.
I think so.
Because there is always question of crispiness.
Yes.
Thank you.
Sorry. See, hazelnut has a lot more health benefits, and while it comes to the hazelnut, I would love to use Turkish hazelnuts because they are a premium quality brand.
What are the price of that, ma'am?
Sorry?
Any idea for 1 kg price?
1 kg price is maybe...
Normal is 1800, I know.
1200, yeah.
So we are looking for 1800.
It's in wholesale and you will get it around 1700-1800 in the retail.
We are getting in 1800.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now I'm adding 1/4 cup cocoa powder into this. And just 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is just a 5-ingredient cookie. And now we are going to mix this. If you all do not want to use spatula, you all can easily आप जैसे घर का आटा बांधते हैं उसी तरह से आप इसे डो की कंसिस्टेंसी पे नीट करके ले सकते हो. Only just add 1 or 2 tablespoon water if required, and then इसे आप to make it into loaf. This much is fine. Any questions, please go ahead and ask. I'm mixing with the hand to show you on easy way, right? You all can see this is now on binding consistency now. Yes, but still we'll add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. So this will come into dough consistency, and then we'll kind of shape it into log, and then slice it, garnish with hazelnut, and then we'll bake it. Any questions, please ask. If you do not want to use add water, then you all can go with the nut milk or dairy milk. Any milk fine. Any milk is fine.
Ma'am, can we use the hazelnut butter itself? Like we can butter it and then use it instead of the regular butter? Not
Of
butter,
course, of
not
course.
butter.
Yeah.
It will give much more richer flavor, I guess.
Yes, yes. Easily they can stay out for a month. But you know, they turn out so yummy ना कि मेरे तो घर पे 4-5 दिन में खत्म हो जाती हैं. I make 2 batches together. Yeah, you just mix it with the spatula, it's fine. You don't need to use any professional hand whisker or anything like that. You know. These are my cookie recipes are very, friendly to make and enjoyable. I don't like to do much taam jam with my recipes, Room temperature.